Here's a video to walk you through how to view the reports that are assigned to an access role in Ops Insights. So to do this, you'll need to be logged in as a client admin user, and I've done so here. I've logged in as a client admin user into one of our demo accounts. And when you first log in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. So we'll need to head over to the access role section of Ops Insights, and that can be done by finding access roles in the left-hand navigation bar here and clicking on that link. And when we get to the page, we will see a listing of all of the access roles here at the bottom, and we'll see, and you also have an action section as well that will allow you to search for access roles, display any roles that have been disabled in your account, and also you'll have the ability to create new roles using this link here. But the purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to view reports that are assigned to an access role. So the first way to do this, there are two ways. The first and easiest way to do this is to find the report assignment column here and the access roles listing. And you'll see one of two types of displays in this column. You will see either the phrase assign reports. So here's an example of an access role called ABC client that does not have any access roles or any reports assigned to this access role. So that's one way that you can indicate, or one way to indicate that reports are not currently assigned to an access role. So if reports are not assigned, you'll see this listing here, assign reports. And then if one or many reports are assigned to an access role, then you'll see an icon here. And the reason behind this is because if most of the time there's going to be a ton of reports assigned to an access role, or at the very minimum, there's going to be a handful of reports. And it would be very difficult for us to display all of those reports in one section. So that's the reasoning behind an icon appearing if reports are assigned to an access role. So to view the reports that are assigned to this particular role, the abstractor vendor, all we have to do is click on the icon. And when we do, a modal window will appear on the screen, and it will display all of the reports that are assigned to this particular role. So that's the quickest and easiest way to see which reports are assigned to an access role. Next, we can also click on the name of any role. And when we click on the name, it's going to open that same window, but you'll notice there's going to be a tabbed style of display here. And when you click on the name of a role, it's going to default to display a role overview section, and which in the role overview is just going to display details about the role, its name, the type, whether it's an internal or external role, and a brief description of what the role is, what it's designed to do, that sort of thing. But if you do want to see the reports that are assigned, all you have to do is click on report assignment, and we're back to that same exact display that we saw earlier. So this is a little bit more of a roundabout way to get to the report assignment, but when you do, you'll be able to, when you do it this way, you'll be able to see a little bit more information about the role itself. We can also view any users that are assigned to this specific role, that sort of thing as well. And if you do, for any reason, want to add or remove or change the report assignment, we can click on Update Report Assignment, and we'll be taken to that particular step in the report update process. But we're not going to show that here today because we have plenty of videos in our role section of the user documentation site that will walk you through how to do this. Of course, if you do have questions about this that you're not able to find, or anything above and beyond that, you can also reach out to our support team, support@opsinsights.com. And before we end, I do want to show you quickly what it will look like if we click on Assign Reports here. So when you click on Assign Reports, and you click on that link instead of the icon where there are reports assigned, it's basically just going to ask you, hey, do you want to assign reports to this specific role? So clicking on Assign Reports is going to first ask you, hey, do you want to do this? And if you do, it's going to take you to that same exact screen that I was mentioning earlier. That's going to take you to the report assignment step of the report update process. And finally, we'll open up the ABC client role here, and we'll just show you what it looks like when no reports are assigned to a role. When we get to the report assignment section or tab, it's just going to say no results found there. So if you have questions about assigning reports to roles or viewing which reports are assigned to a role, please feel free to reach out to our support team, support@opsinsights.com. Thanks. We look forward to hearing from you.